Alright guys, Bradley here from Naples Auto Armor, back with another video. In this one we're highlighting this beautiful 2019 GT3RS. Our customer picked this car up about 5 to 6 months ago. Previously it had a full body paint protection film installation done on it. He wasn't happy with it. There's a lot of little issues, edges that weren't wrapped, dirt under the film, lifting edges, some odd, weird cuts where some of the installers may have had some issues and they had to cut some things out to make the pieces work. He wasn't happy with it. We fully stripped all of the film off this car and went through and did our full body installation our way. So we removed some lights, we removed the side markers, any little things that we could remove to make the installation a little bit more seamless, have fewer sort of edges and things like that. We removed those. After that, we installed some OEM vinyl decals and stripes down the side and on the Porsche wing to sort of complete that OEM look. So we'll take you through the whole process on this GT3RS of removing the film and doing the paint protection film installation.